Okay, now we are going for the basic sketch of the Solidworks. So previously it's just playing around with Solidworks. So now we're going with the Solidworks. Okay, so open Solidworks and again sketch, select the plane that you want. You can either select from here, front plane, top plane, and back plane. So I prefer front plane, but it depends on the drawing. Okay, now sketch. Let's see the picture they want to draw. So you can see how many lines: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 circles. So what should you do? So it's very easy. Take line over here, take line, make something almost the same shape, because later on you can change the dimension. Alright, then create a circle anywhere, any size, but make sure they not make some line like this, because this one they will be attached to it. So make it something that is not attached to it. Okay, something is not, this is not correct. This is the correct one. Create a circle. Finish. Now we go to the smart dimension. Go for it. The picture that you want is what you want to change. Okay, 3.2. Okay, sorry, 3.6, 8.4, 5.0. From here to here, 2.6. From here to here, 8.4. And from here to here, stuff. Then now see the distance from the bottom to the center, 3.6 and 2.0. From here to here, 3.6. From here to here, 2.0. Then what else? Distance from here to here, 3.2. So here to here, 3.2. Enter. Here is 4.4. Enter. And see what happens. 3.2 here, 4.4 here. So here is 4.4. From here to here, 3.2. Right. Dimension here is 3.6 and 2.1. 2.6. Okay. 2.1. Okay. Is it the same picture? Yeah, let me see. 2.1, 2.0, 3.6. Yes, this is the exact picture, except for the blue lines, because in our previous class there's something that is missing. So for my case, I make it something like this. This line is actually, oh sorry, I need to make something. Click this line and hold Control and click this. Click this node and press Control button on your keyboard and hold and click on this node and make it horizontal. Means that they are horizontal in with each other. Okay. So you can see all the lines is actually black. So what happens if the line is black? So means that your drawing is all is finished. So now I want to zoom to fit. Okay, right. So now goes to features, extrude boss base, and let's say you put 3. See, this is the actual part. Okay, the actual part. Okay, that's all. Very easy. So the only vertical part is actually the sketch. Okay, so we can use another sketches that I give to you previously. I think that's all for the second step for Solidworks of the record.